Ayun, sana bumalik ang mga tao maniwala sa kakaibang experience of watching the movies on the big screen. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our two winners for third best picture, Manila's Finest and Call Me Mother. Congratulations!
Congratulations po sa inyo at kayo naman to present this year's second best picture. Please welcome the stars of Manila's Finest, both good-looking and talented. Please welcome music icon Rico Blanco and the ultimate heartthrob Piolo Pascual.
Emotional power, artistic vision, and exceptional execution. Lamang ito sa mga katangian ng mga pelikulang kalahok sa 51st edition ng Metro Manila Film Festival.
Mula simula hanggang dulo, ang pelikulang ito ay nag-iwan ng marka sa ating isipan. It's our honor to present this year's second best. Lahat na.
The MMFF 51 Best Picture is
Unmarried by Quantum Films and Singapore Productions.
Presenting the trophy for second best picture is